You just walked past me and said, huh? Are you tired of seeing black people?
No, I was sneezing. I was sneezing.
Oh, you were sneezing?
Yeah.
How do you sneeze?
I was trying to blow out of my nose without being loud.
Oh, I thought somebody sneezed hot you. You said, oh.
No.
Just the way it comes out.
Oh, just the way it comes out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, believe me.
Well, no, because you walked past me, you said, huh? And then I looked, no.
Well,
but
she's also...
I know, but look, listen, listen, stop trying to save her. I said, you know what? They said people who drink mellow yellow just a little bit racist. No?
I am no racist in any way.
Well, give me a hug. I'm just
Always,
messing with
brother.
y'all.